child has a severe cough that just won't stop, so this video is for you. Pay close attention because I'm going to teach you a homemade remedy that will relieve your cough in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll need an orange, all right? Let's cut it in half. After you've cut it in half, we need to remove the core of the orange. We'll only remove it from one half and get rid of all the seeds. This tip is amazing and you'll thank me for this video. This video is excellent, and I'm sure you've never thought of this before. It's an old and homemade remedy. There will be a cavity in the orange, and now we're going to take it to the stove. Taking our orange to the stove, what are we going to do? We're going to set our stove to low heat, all right? Keep it very low, and we'll leave our orange here. And what is it for, folks? Few people know this homemade remedy that will relieve coughs in your children, and your own cough as well. This tip is incredible and very effective. Now, we'll add some salt. Just a pinch for adults. If it's for a child, it's just a tiny pinch, okay? For children under 5 years old. We'll also add some turmeric. Turmeric is excellent and has several benefits, as it is a great anti-inflammatory. We'll add just a tiny bit, about a teaspoon of turmeric. Remember, for a child under 5, we'll add just a pinch of turmeric, and we'll leave it on the stove for a few minutes. Soon the orange will start to boil. This tip is ready in minutes. It's super quick. Now place the other half of the orange. And folks, all the substances in the orange, turmeric and salt, will bring several benefits that you may not be aware of in this tip. It's rich in antioxidants and is also an anti-inflammatory. It's also a great bronchodilator, helping those who suffer from asthma, bronchitis, and colds. One of the most common uses of turmeric is for treating coughs, that's right. This super simple and homemade remedy is great for treating sore throats, especially when your throat is inflamed. All right, a few minutes have passed. The orange has released all its substance along with the turmeric and salt we added. Now I'm going to add a spoonful of honey. That's right. Honey is excellent for colds and will help you. Now, just mix it and you'll have a powerful homemade remedy in your hands. Salt reduces mucus and the mucosa in the back of the throat, relieving the cough in minutes. And that's our tip for today. This is a 100% natural recipe with many health benefits, and it will put an end to that bothersome cough of yours. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. A big kiss, and take care.